Wait, move
What?
move over here to the right. Left, move to your left.
Maybe I should be the one.
I apologize for the light. Okay, welcome back. We're making a baking video where I'm gonna be deaf, he's gonna be blind, and we're gonna try to make these little cookies. So it's a good date night idea. We're just forcing him to be here and do a video.
That is the sexiest gangster I've ever seen.
Okay. Welcome back to my channel. We're starting. I can kind of hear. Let's see. Talk to me.
What?
You have to put 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 2.5 cups. 2.5 cups. The thing of the.
Why are you screaming? Are you supposed to be deaf?
1/4 cup.
Is this a deaf and blind challenge?
All-purpose flour.
Yes.
This is a deaf and blind challenge?
Yes.
Oh my god.
We are both handicapped.
What?
What?
Look, 2.5 cups.
Wait, I have a question.
2.5 cups.
Why am I doing everything?
2.5 cups. Okay, put it.
Put
Pour
what?
it.
What?
Pour it in here. Grab it. Grab this. Grab it right. Now pour it.
She's jamming out.
This is way more entertaining than my
Sam, can you hear me?
Shit.
Can you hear me?
More. What?
You fucking snail.
Hey, I heard that.
She's cheating.
The song's ending. The song ended. I can perfectly hear it right now.
You need to put some red hot chili.
I don't know what a quarter is.
What?
Quarter is 25.
1.5. 1/4.
I can kind of hear a little bit.
We'll put it louder.
I don't know. 1 tablespoon of baking soda.
I'm here for a participation trophy.
Tablespoon? Can you pass me a tablespoon?
It's there. It's there. It's there.
No, wait, you got a teaspoon.
No. Oh, I need a teaspoon for something else also.
Coming right up. Here's your tablespoon.
Hey, I heard you.
What?
Oh, I needed a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
You know what's crazy?
Pour it,
Is she's
pour it,
not the
pour
blind
it.
one.
Pour it.
Alright.
You guys are good. That was good. It's just gonna be a little salty.
Yeah.
1 teaspoon
It's a bit a little
of salt.
carbonated.
Salt.
Okay.
Grab the salt. No.
Where's the
Yeah. No. Yes. No. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Yeah.
got that?
Yeah. It's about to be real salty.
Go.
Go where?
1
You gotta
teaspoon. Pour a little bit. A little bit. More. Okay, slow. No, go. Yeah.
Yeah, these cookies might be
1 cup
salty
of 2 sticks of butter. Softened. What does softened mean?
It's soft.
What does that mean?
They're not
It's
hard.
It's not solid butter.
I got eggs.
No.
Alright.
No. Cut it down.
I got them. They're safe. They're safe.
Put the eggs in your pocket, man.
2 sticks of butter.
I'm trying to find them.
Butter? Of butter. I'm already getting it.
Why did you tell me?
Open
No
this.
communication
Open
here.
this. Open this. We need 2 butter. I thought softened was like melted.
It softened.
It's soft.
I don't know how
Can
else
you
to
hear them?
describe it to you. It's the complete opposite of hard. Where's the bowl?
I'm
The bowl in front of me, Mons?
I'm gonna change the salt.
Drop. You're good.
Okay, now
That's it.
Pour it too hot.
3/4 cups of granulated sugar.
Left hand.
Open it. After this, we're switching.
What?
I can hear you. These are
Stop
so low.
cheating. Put them
All the
on.
way up. They just talk loud as hell.
What?
Your AirPods just suck, man.
They're the neighbors, like right here.
You're the one screaming.
Huh?
You are screaming.
What? 3/4? What is 3/4 cup?
1/4, 3 times.
Oh,
Or the 3/4 mark.
Which cup? Is she using the cup? Are you using the cup measurement? Oh, okay. Let me just pull a 3/4 cup real quick.
3 times.
This is 1 cup?
That's
3 of these.
1 cup.
3 of these. Come here. Those need 2. Go. Wait, grab it.
I am grabbing it.
Yeah.
We gotta make up for all the saltiness.
Go again. Yeah.
Oh my god. Holy s***.
Go. Slow. Let it up.
Why don't you warn me?
What? 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Her music's loud, so she
Brown
can't
sugar.
hear. Brown sugar! Yes! I'm so good at
3/4
this.
cups.
Dude, you got this shit, man.
No, that. Pour it. More.
Is it?
Go. It's like...
Is it compact? I wonder why.
I wish I had the AirPod Pros so I could actually knock everything out.
Yeah, that's like $500 though, so.
What? Optimistic.
No
Okay,
way.
go again.
No way. Just
Go in, down, like that, like.
Why did you give it to me upside down?
I don't know. Go.
Oh, you can hear me! You cheater.
I can hear sometimes.
Oh, you heard that too?
Right now the song's really low.
Oh, you keep hearing me.
It's the highest. Look, it's the highest.
Can I turn this over?
I can confirm.
Can I turn this over?
No.
Go.
Now you can.
I felt like my hand didn't move whatsoever. How was your day? Cool.
Yeah? We're almost done.
She's not very good at communicating.
It's not
what she
working.
wants.
It's not working. Alright, whatever. I'm over it. Can you see me?
What?
Whatever, that's fine.
Can you see me?
1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 of these. Open this.
Vanilla extract.
What you were holding.
I think I messed up.
She's not the blind one here. I'm confused.
It says, in a small bowl combine flour, baking soda, and salt. And then it says, in a large mixing bowl, butter, granulated sugar, and vanilla extract until creamy. Like, I think we were supposed to mix in before we kept going.
We just
Should I mix?
You're not gonna be able to mix that butter,
What?
man.
That
Butter's thick.
That butter is definitely not softened.
No, that boy thick.
What?
You didn't say it right.
Soften the butter.
Soften the butter?
Soften
Soften?
the butter.
Soften the butter.
Because you stink.
What?
Soften
Soften.
the butter.
Butter.
You stink.
What? Soften butter, what?
Soften the butter.
Soften the butter.
And whisk.
And whisk.
Yes.
Soften the fuck.
By whisk.
What?
Whisk.
Whisk? Whisk. Whisk.
I'm whisking.
Just whisk.
Oh yeah, I can tell this is gonna make my table very messy.
Dude, you are not getting through that butter.
I have an itch in my eye.
We switched. I kind of suck. Okay.
I can't hear shit.
What do I do? Go.
Alright, first thing first, get out of my way.
We need to tell me what to do.
I'm gonna pour our softened butter.
We're like almost done, but I messed up all the instructions. So we had to like redo it, I think. Damn, the music's loud now.
Oh wait, you can't hear me.
Oh.
What do I do? I'm supposed to do stuff.
Where were we at?
Where's the thing?
You
Where's
added
the...
everything. You were whisking.
Where were we at?
Where's the thing?
Aha!
Ah! What? What?
Come here!
What do you wear? What do you... What do I
Whisk! Whisk!
Why?
You made me whisk blind?
Is your thing off? I can hear you the best. Put it back on.
What?
You're not
Turn it
deaf.
on.
Yes, you can hear me. You have your ears
No,
free.
your thing. You can hear me.
Because you're loud as hell.
No, because I can hear that you don't have your freaking AirPod thing on. Put it on. Here's what I thought. Are you lying to me, Henry? I'm gonna see. Are you lying to me?
Why are you cheating?
She don't trust your ass for real.
Is this done? When is this done?
When the fuck did the eggs come into?
Hey! Henry! Look at me. Where are you? Miles!
That wasn't me.
Miles!
That's not me.
Henry! Stop!
Ooga booga.
Hey, look at me.
I can't hear you.
When is this done?
Huh?
When is this done?
When is it done?
Yeah.
Not yet. Oh yeah, I should probably read the instructions. Hold on. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. It's open. It's open. You're above the bowl. I'll tell you when it's out. No. Go. Slow, slow, slow.
Now what? Now what?
Get
Hello? What's next? Hey,
Thumbs up if we did flour.
Yeah.
Baking soda.
Yeah.
Salt.
Who? What?
Salt.
Yeah.
Butter. Brown sugar.
Yeah.
Granulated sugar.
Yeah.
Vanilla.
You just did it. No, I don't want to whisk. I'm not whisking. You whisk.
Huh?
You whisk.
I can see.
That's right.
I can see.
Let's change back. Let's change back.
Like the weekend.
No, I don't want to whisk. We're never going to be done. You're not going to be able to play 2K.
I don't know what you said, but by reading your lips, it sounded like you said, I really love whisking. Like, this is my true passion.
If I'm never done, you're not going to be able to play 2K.
I can't hear you. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to put an egg in there. You want to do it or you want me to do it?
Try to do it.
It's not cracked. So, good luck.
Why would it be cracked?
Don't worry. Crack it on the table. That's not the table at all. Okay, all right. Here's the next one. Good job. Here we go. Part 2.
How do I crack it on the table? Like this?
Don't do it so hard.
I need napkin.
Here, napkin.
Ah, why is there so many?
Spilled some on the table.
Oh, here.
Real quick for our unpaid sponsorship, Bounty, the quicker picker upper.
There's no sponsorship. What's next? What is next?
The egg yolk on the table is next.
I mean, you can hear me.
Why do you keep turning when you talk to me?
Because they can read my lips. Oh, what did you say?
Do you want to whisk or do you want me to whisk?
You go fast. Henry,
What?
are you done?
No, it's not done. We really should have bought an electric whisker.
Obviously.
Bless you.
Thank you. Are you done? Are you done?
I thought you were asking for a kiss.
So never kiss me like that ever again. What's next? What's next? What's next?
Whisk.
Again?
Whisk.
Again.
Song ended.
Again?
Don't say nothing.
Whisk again?
You smell strong. Keep going until I tell you to stop, okay?
Where? Here? Like
Keep
that?
going until I tell you to stop. Stop.
I want one. Is this chocolate?
Yeah.
Eat it?
Now we need to preheat the oven because you didn't want to do it earlier.
We were supposed to do it halfway through. We're back. We preheated the oven, and now we're gonna put them in little bowls. Once again, Def and blind.
What?
Are they too thick?
What?
Are they too
Talk
thick?
louder.
Are they too thick?
Do one a little bit smaller than that.
They ended up mixing all together in the oven, so we're just gonna try them out. This is one batch, this is the other batch. This batch looks a little whack, so I wanna try this batch. I mean,
Pretty good for being blindfolded and deaf.
right? But they're like,
Didn't.
they're still warm too.
I
think this was a success. You guys should try this as a date night because it was pretty fun. So that'll be it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you like and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.